Vlogging?
I'm vlogging today. What's going on, bro? How you doing?
Hey, brother.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little bit more of a run and gun vlog for you, as we do need to get this car running and then we need to get it ready for an inspection sticker. This car's been sitting all winter, no fuel stabilizer, so I'm pretty excited to fire it up, but we got a few things we got to take care of first. That way we can drive the car we pay for on the roads we pay for. All hail the government. Hey, what's up? Solid tuck, bingo bongo. Alright guys, so oil is checked, it's right up, and you will notice too that we swapped out our battery. That's because when I first came out this spring, tried to start this thing up, it literally just died, so we charged this battery up. Now I do have old gas in this car as well, so we are gonna open up the garage door, start this thing up, and see how it runs. I'm hoping it doesn't sound like a game of Hungry Hungry Hippos. If it does, we'll kill it, throw some fuel stabilizer in it as well as some new gas, but honestly, I used to store the RSX all winter all the time, and it would start right up in the spring. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how it does. I was just telling Devin, guys, I'm super excited about this, man. It's a higher miles car, so I was definitely worried about the older gas in this. It's got like 40,000 more miles on it than the RSX did, so I was just a little bit worried about it not running well with the old gas, but it sounds great. All right, guys, we are good to go. This inspection shop's gonna think I'm a Fed. Look at that fitment, absolutely sick. They call me the Titanic. All right, guys, so just a quick rundown of everything that's happened today. We did start the car with the old fuel, ran beautifully, really excited about that. Probably should take it for a spin and try and kill as much of that bad fuel as possible. We did replace the battery as well. Like I said, the first time we started it this year, it did have a dead battery, so we replaced that. Fired right up, which was awesome. However, you guys might notice there is no negative terminal. We fixed this a while ago, but there it is. I did try to fix it up, but I just absolutely mangled it. So we're gonna try and find one of these. And then we did swap out the wheels. We got the RSX wheels up front, TSX in the back. I honestly just picked the wheels that had the most tire on them because I want to be able to pass inspection. All we have left on our list at this point is the negative battery terminal and the headlights. So we're gonna check those both when we get back, but obviously we need the terminal to test the headlights. So we're gonna head out and we'll see you guys in a few.
What's up, man?
What's going on, Jay?
I'm vlogging?
I'm vlogging today. What's going on, bro? How you doing?
Hey, brother.
Just keeps going too, huh? Yeah. That rev match too. Wow. Yeah, we were talking, guys, off camera about how smooth this thing shifts. It's crazy. Like, you don't even feel it, up or down too. It's crazy. Technology is just absurd. We were actually talking too on the porch about how if you do end up building power or tuning these cars, how's the transmission gonna respond to that too, which is gonna be really cool moving forward. Yeah, it just keeps going, you know?
70, 80 miles per hour, and she's just got so much more good.
Yeah. No, I mean, because I've had a few cars like the G35 and the RL with that 290, 300 horsepower range, but you know, it always seemed to die out after a certain speed or a certain RPM. This thing just keeps pulling. It's really cool. We were talking as well off camera, guys, about how in the 90s the Supras, RX-7s, and Skylines were marketed as a certain power number, but they weren't that. And we're wondering if maybe the 289 that this car is marketed in is kind of the same deal, because with the RL's 290 and this car feels a lot faster than that. It's definitely lighter, but it feels like it's got some more scoot to it for sure. Nowhere to scoot now, dude. We got free one-day delivery in front of us.
Stuck on crack.
Well, lights work. If they're the proper height or not is another discussion, but we should be able to just adjust them right in here. And in here, yeah, you can see the spot for it. So that should be pretty easy. I get a little nervous.
Yeah.
It feels so much nicer already. That's crazy. The alignment's pretty good still. Wow. All right, dude. Wow, the sand case, guys. There's a big difference there. That's crazy. It definitely handles like butter with 2 different size wheels on it though.
Oh, I believe it.
It's so funny, dude. It's like, where am I going? Your boy can still drive though. Look at that. Still got it. Still got it. Hey, I designed that sign. That was me. Nice. Thing's low. I wonder if it's on back. The mechanic turned me away twice for the ball joints making the noise. If you guys haven't seen the last vlog where the ball joints were making noise, I took that to the same mechanic twice. And twice he told me, 1, he couldn't get it to make that noise, and 2, when he did hear it, he was like, you're fine, it's just that they're a little dry. I just said to my dad, 1 more extra ride, I could have lost a wheel. Like, absolutely crazy. I'm so glad we did the sand case. Guys, if you have a TSX, please, please, please upgrade your ball joints. This is night and day. It's so much easier to take off in first gear. It's like not even funny. It must have been some kind of, like the play in the ball joints must have been kind of like vibrating before, because it used to be like first gear, I would feel a shudder in the pedal. And I was worried that my clutch or my flywheel or maybe my bearing or something like was worn out, even though the clutch is like, it's got like 500 miles on it. So I'm super glad that that's kind of alleviated too. It shifts so much nicer. Like, I feel like that's something people don't realize is that worn suspension components, close the window here, worn suspension components really can affect the way your car shifts because there's slack in everything. You know, obviously motor mounts or whatever, you're gonna feel that more so than, you know, a blown strut or something, but you can feel that when the car shifts, you know, everything affects each other. So it's really, really nice to have this thing, 1, taking off way smoother, and 2, shifting a lot nicer between gears. It even feels, it feels like the coilovers are higher quality now too, because you're not taking an impact on the ball joints, which is really, really nice. They feel a lot more sturdy and solid. Poppy and I even did a comparison of the stud size in the video where we installed these, and these things are massively bulky. And I thought honestly it was gonna need an alignment, but guys, this thing is like driving mint. It's like super straight. So this, honestly, today, I probably should knock on some wood. I don't have any wood, but today really couldn't have gone much better. And that's awesome. It's just super encouraging. We're gonna try and get a sticker on this thing in the morning, and hopefully I call in tomorrow with a little inspection sticker on it too. Alright guys, so we are back out the next morning. I am very excited to announce that we were able to get an inspection sticker on the car. So we're free and clear to enjoy this thing, mod it, work on it, whatever we want for the rest of the season. I'm gonna throw the Evo wheels on this thing and get it ready. Alright guys, so that is gonna do it for today's video. We're gonna enjoy the rest of the day with some detailing, and then we actually have another video to film. So we're gonna get going on that. If you did make it this far or enjoyed the video at all, please feel free to leave a like down below, subscribe for more just like it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.